In today's digital age, a website is more than just an online presence. It's an essential tool for individuals and businesses alike. Picture it as your virtual storefront, open 24/7, showcasing your products, services, or ideas to a global audience. A website is a collection of interconnected web pages, all hosted under a single domain name. It serves as a central hub of information, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. From sharing your latest blog post to selling products online, a website can be tailored to fit any purpose. The importance of having a website cannot be overstated. In an increasingly interconnected world, it acts as your digital identity, allowing you to connect with potential customers, clients, or collaborators. Just as a physical store attracts foot traffic, a well-designed website draws in online visitors, helping you reach a wider audience and expand your reach. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to launch a new business or an artist wanting to showcase your portfolio, a website provides you with a platform to share your passion with the world. It's a powerful tool that can open doors to new opportunities and help you achieve your goals in the online realm. Before diving into the technical aspects of website development, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation by defining your website's purpose and identifying your target audience. Just as an architect needs a blueprint before constructing a building, you need a clear vision of what you want to achieve with your website. Start by asking yourself key questions. What is the primary goal of your website? Is it to sell products, share information, build a community, or something else entirely? By establishing your website's objective, you can tailor its content, design, and functionality to effectively meet your specific needs. Equally important is understanding your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your website? What are their interests, demographics, and online behaviors? By gaining insights into your ideal visitors, you can create a website that resonates with them, providing valuable content and an engaging user experience. Once you have a clear understanding of your website's purpose and target audience, you can begin sketching a basic layout. This doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a rough outline of the different sections and pages you envision for your website. This will serve as a roadmap as you move forward with the design and development process. Just as a physical store's ambiance can influence a customer's perception, your website's design plays a crucial role in shaping user experience. A visually appealing and user-friendly design can captivate visitors, encouraging them to explore your content and engage with your brand. One of the first design elements to consider is your website's color scheme. Colors evoke emotions and convey messages. For instance, blue is often associated with trust and reliability, while green represents growth and freshness. Choose colors that align with your brand identity and create the desired atmosphere for your target audience. Typography, the art of arranging type, is another essential aspect of website design. The fonts you choose can greatly impact readability and overall aesthetics. Opt for fonts that are easy on the eyes and complement your website's style. Consider using a combination of different font weights and sizes to create visual hierarchy and guide the reader's attention. Layout design focuses on how your website's content is structured and presented. A well-organized layout makes it easy for visitors to find the information they need, while a cluttered or confusing design can lead to frustration and a high bounce rate. Use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up text and improve readability. Section 4. The building blocks, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript explained. With a clear design in mind, it's time to bring your website to life using the building blocks of the web, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three core languages work together to create the structure, style, and interactivity of your website. HTML, or hypertext. Markup language forms the backbone of your website, providing its basic structure. Think of it as the skeleton of your website, defining the different elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. HTML uses tags to enclose content and give it meaning, telling the browser how to display it. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is used to style the HTML elements, controlling their appearance. It's like dressing up the skeleton of your website, adding colors, fonts, spacing, and other visual styles. CSS allows you to separate the presentation of your website from its content, making it easier to maintain and update. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic elements to your website, making it more engaging for users. It allows you to create animations, handle user input, and make your website more responsive. JavaScript interacts with the HTML and CSS, adding functionality and bringing your website to life. Section 5. Putting your website to the test. Ensuring functionality and compatibility. Before launching your website into the vast digital world, it's crucial to thoroughly test its functionality and compatibility across different browsers and devices. This ensures that your website provides a seamless and enjoyable experience for all visitors, regardless of how they access it. Testing for functionality involves checking that all links, forms, and interactive elements are working correctly. Navigate through your website as a user would, clicking on buttons, submitting forms, and ensuring that everything behaves as expected. Pay attention to any broken links, error messages, or unexpected behavior. Compatibility testing ensures that your website is displayed correctly across different web browsers, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Each browser has its own rendering engine, which can sometimes lead to slight variations in how websites are displayed. Use browser compatibility testing tools or manually test your website in different browsers to identify and fix any inconsistencies. In today's mobile-first world, it's also essential to test your website's responsiveness on different screen sizes. Responsive web design ensures that your website adapts to the screen size of the device it's being viewed on, providing an optimal experience for users on desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Section 6. Launching your website, making your presence known to the world. With a fully functional and thoroughly tested website ready to go, it's time to launch it into the world and make your online presence known. This involves choosing a domain name, selecting a web hosting provider, and uploading your website files to the server. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet, like a street address for a physical store. It's what visitors will type into their web browser to access your website. Choose a domain name that is memorable, relevant to your brand, and easy to spell. Web hosting is the service that stores your website's files and makes them accessible to visitors on the internet. Think of it as renting space on a server where your website will reside. There are various web hosting providers available, each offering different plans and features. Choose one that meets your website's needs and budget. Once you have your domain name and web hosting set up, you can upload your website files to the server. This is typically done using an FTP client, which allows you to transfer files from your computer to the web server. Once your files are uploaded, your website will be live and accessible to the world. Section 7. Keeping your website fresh maintenance and updates. Congratulations on launching your website. However, the work doesn't end there. To keep your website running smoothly, attract visitors, and maintain a professional online presence, regular maintenance and updates are essential. One crucial aspect of website maintenance is ensuring its security. Regularly update your website software, including the content management system, plugins, and themes, to patch any security vulnerabilities. Use strong passwords and consider implementing additional security measures to protect your website from hackers and malware. Content is king in the online world. Regularly update your website with fresh, engaging, and relevant content to keep visitors coming back for more. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, images, or any other type of content that provides value to your target audience. As your business evolves or your website's goals change, you may need to make updates to its design, functionality, or content. Don't be afraid to revamp your website periodically to keep it looking modern, user-friendly, and aligned with your brand identity.